Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In today's video, we will see how to download Turbo C++ and let us see how to execute some sample programs in Turbo C++. So let's get started. So open the Google Chrome and type download Turbo C++ for Windows 10. Click on the first option, download Turbo C++ for Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and Windows 11 also. You can use the same option. Click on this. Scroll down. You have the option to download here. Click on this option, Turbo C++. Download Turbo C++. The files are getting downloaded now. So it is downloading. So you can see here, the zip file is getting downloaded. So as soon as the zip file gets downloaded, you have to open that folder and you have to extract the files. You have the last option, which is Turbo C++ installation. Click on that and the file gets extracted and your Turbo C++ gets installed.
So here you can see the icon Turbo C++ on the desktop.
So when you double click on that Turbo C++, you will get the window like this. Click on File menu. You can use the option shortcut key Alt F. Select the option New and click on Enter. So you get a blank blue screen. Make it as a full screen. Let me type the program with the comment. Sample program. Include the header files. This is the comment section we have done. Now let us include the linker section. #include stdio.h to get the definitions of the printf and scanf, the formatted input output functions that what we use. #include conio.h console input output header file. So these two header files we are going to include so that we can get the definitions of the inbuilt functions that what we use in our program. So we use printf, scanf, we get the definition from stdio, standard input output header file. We use some console related functions, console input output, so it is conio.h. So we get the functions clear screen, definition and get ch definition if we use in our program. So let us start with the main function. So we have done with the comment section. We have done with the linker section. Now we are into the main program. Void main parenthesis. Open the bracket. Have some proper indentation. So let me call the clear screen function CLR SCR. Then let me type the printf, the formatted output function. It is printf. Open the bracket. Within double quotes, we can just have a message. I'll say, welcome to C program. You can also have it in capital letters, no issues. Whatever we display in double quotes, it will be displayed as it is. Close the double quotes, bracket and semicolon to terminate the printf statement. Then we can say get ch. Then finally close the flower bracket. Go to the file menu, Alt F, the shortcut key. Choose the option save. You can also click on the functional key F2. So let me give the file name. Say sample extension.c. Press the enter key. So the file name was already existing. Let me overwrite on it. Click on yes. Just press Y, the letter Y. See, this DOS mode program will be running and sometimes the mouse may not work. So it is better to use the shortcut keys. So the file is saved now. We need to run the program. The shortcut key to run the program, it is Alt with F9. So there are no errors. Press enter key. The program is compiled now. Then the object code is ready. Well, I have explained the process of compiling and executing in my previous videos. Please do check out. Let me execute the program now. Compilation is done. Shortcut key to execute, it is Control F9. So you got the output. Again press enter key. You will be back to the program. So let us see what happens when we don't include this clear screen function. So what I'll do, I'll simply comment this line. Save the content, press F2, or you can simply say Alt F, save. The file gets saved. Now press Alt F9, then Control F9. Compilation and execution. See, the screen is not getting cleared. The previous output also we have got. So press enter key. Now I'll remove this comment. Then again save this. Alt F9, Control F9. See, the screen is clear and we have got the message. Welcome to C program. Let me remove this getch. Save this. Before you compile and execute, you have to save and compile. So Alt F9 to compile, Control F9 to execute. Click on Y, the letter Y. See, we are not seeing the output screen. So getch is getting a character and straight away it will take you to the console. But now the getch is commented. So we have to go to the output screen manually. Press Alt with F5. So here is the output. So remove this comment. Save this. Alt F9. Control F9. See, we got the output. So let us see the next program. That is the program to accept and print two values. The comment section is done. Well, comment section is optional. Let us have the linker section, which is important. So #include stdio.h #include conio.h void main. So let us declare the variables int a, b, clear screen, printf. Let us print a message prompting the user to enter two values. You can have the message still more clear saying that enter two integer values. Then scanf. The syntax, hope you remember, within double quotes we need to mention the control string format specifiers. So we have to accept two integer values. So I need to provide two format specifiers, two integer format specifiers, %d, no comma, %d, double quotes close, and then the comma. Store the first integer %d in the address of a, comma, second integer in the address of b. Close the bracket, semicolon. Then I can say printf, the values are you can have the escape sequence, new line, /n, printf. So we are using printf to print message and value. So how to do that? So open the double quotes. I can just say A equal to format specifier %d. I can have tab space. Then B equal to %d, format specifier to print one more integer, tab space, close the double quotes. So you get a message A equal to, in place of %d, I should get the value that I am mentioning here. So I say get the value from the variable A, comma, B equal to message I am going to get the value for that B from the memory location B. Close the bracket, semicolon, then get ch, close the program. Save the file. Program1.c. Alt F9 to compile. Control F9 to execute. So it is prompting me to enter two values. Press enter key. The first value, you can just press enter or a space. 78, 45 and 75, 78 I have given. Press enter key. You get the message. The values are A equal to 45 and a tab space, B equal to 78. So this is how I can accept the values and print the values. I can simply have only the values printed. So how to do that? But if I just don't want any message, I can simply say printf %d tab space %d tab space double quotes close comma A comma B. So here you will not get any message. You will simply have the values like this. Save this. Alt F9. Control F9. Enter two values. You can type it there itself. Press enter key. See. The values are 67, 89. So you're not getting any appropriate message saying A equal to 67 and B equal to 89. So if you want to have that type of message come value, you can use this. So let me ignore this line now. Again save. Alt F9. Control F9. Enter two values. See. The values are A equal to 87 and B equal to 34. Save the content. You have to press the letter Y. So that's all for today's video. We will see few more programs in next coming videos. Hope you have understood how to compile and execute the programs in Turbo C++. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.